Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna talk about the game Call of Duty Warzone Mobile, which is a first-person shooter battle royale game. The battle royale hosts maximum of 120 player per lobby, which consists of solo, duos, trios and quads. The game will also feature classic Call of Duty multiplayer modes such as domination, kill confirm, search and destroy and team deathmatch. It is a free-to-play multiplayer game with insane features and graphics, but for some users the game is not working on their devices, and in this video we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. So before installation of game, make sure that your device have enough storage, and if you are getting this message while installing the game, then it means your device is not compatible and you won't be able to play the game on that device. So before installing the game, make sure that your device meets the minimum system requirement. Here is a list of minimum system requirement. You can pause it and read it. The next thing you have to do is that you have to update the game and also update the device. Also, the game requires some permission, and to play the game you have to provide it. Here is a list of permission required for both Android and iOS. The Call of Duty Warzone is an online game, so first of all check your internet connection. If you are facing issue related to internet, then make sure to reset your internet connection. If it doesn't work, then try to reinstall the game. After the reinstallation, restart your device and your issue will be resolved. Also make sure to check the status page of Call of Duty Warzone. This will let you to know whether all services of the game are working properly or not. Also clear the cache data of the game. You can easily do that. Go to settings, go to application, select the game, go to storage, and there you will get an option of clear cache data. So these were some ways to fix your issue. I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also visit our website from the link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.